Hello everyone. If you have watched my previous lesson, I have explained how to determine the sign of the two values you have to multiply to get the constant term and add to the coefficient of the middle term while factoring quadratic expressions. So let's use this as an example. We have x squared plus 5x minus 24 divided by x squared minus 11x plus 24. So we have to think of two numbers we can multiply together to get -4 and add to 5 in order to factorize the numerator. Those two numbers must be multiplied together to get 24 and add to -11. So what you should remember is whenever you are multiplying two numbers and the result is negative, one of the numbers must be negative. And remember, you have to add those two numbers to get this one. But this is positive, which implies that those two numbers, one negative, one positive, the smaller one must be negative, because if you subtract the bigger number from a smaller number, it will give you a negative number. But subtracting smaller number from bigger number results to positive number. So I know the numbers. In both cases, we are going to use 8 and 3. But follow me, let me show you. Which one should we choose here? The result is negative after multiplication. So either this or this must be negative. But the result after adding is positive, which means that the smaller number must be negative. So to factorize the top, we have x minus plus 8, right? Then x minus 3. The bottom, remember, if you multiply 8 by -3, you're going to get -24. 8 minus 3 will give you 5, or 8 plus -3, all the same. Then coming down here, you can see that multiplying those numbers results to a positive 24. So it implies that the two numbers can either be positive. But let's assume they are positive. You cannot add two positive to get negative. So it's not true. And they can all be negative. Because multiplying two negatives results to positive. And yes, adding two negatives results to negative. So this must be negative, likewise this. So we have x minus 8 and x minus 3. You see that? -8 times -3 is positive 24. -3, -8 is -11. And you can confidently cancel this. What do we have left? Just x plus 8 divided by x minus 8 as our final answer. Yes, as simple as that.